Given below are two statements. Statement 1. The forces generated by transpiration can lift a xylem-sized column of water over 130-meter height, right? And second statement is transpiration cools lip surfaces sometimes 10 to 15 degree by evaporates cooling. So statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. So both statement 1 and so option 1 will be correct. In gene gun method used to introduce alien DNA into host cell, microparticles of tungsten and gold. So correct option will be C. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and reason. Assertion: the first stage of gametophyte in the life cycle of moss is protonema stage. Protonema develops directly from spores produced in capsule. Both assertion भी राइट है और रीजन उसका जो है वो भी राइट है. सो ऑप्शन विल बी ए इज करेक्ट. Unequivocal proof that DNA is the genetic material was first proposed by. Option will be second, Alfred Hershey and Martha Chesney. The thickness of ozone in a column of air in the atmosphere is measured in the term of Dawson unit. So correct option 1. Tissue culture experiments. Lip mesophyll. Lip mesophyll is permanent cell are put in culture medium to form callus. This phenomenon may be the differentiation because it is a permanent cell and permanent cell को फिर सेल डिवीज़न के लिए भेजने के लिए फिर वो डी डिफ्रेंशिएशन करता है. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सेकेंड. लार्ज कलरफुल एंड फ्रेगनेंट फ्लावर्स विथ नेक्टर आर सीन इन. नेक्टर्स के साथ फ्रेगनेंट फ्लावर्स एंड लार्ज कलरफुल, तो ये इंसेक्ट को अट्रैक्ट करती है. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन ए. Frequency of recombination between gene on same chromosome as a measure of distance between genes to map their position on chromosome was used for the first time by Alfred Sturtevant and जो ये 1 सेंटीमीटर मॉर्गन जो डिस्टेंस होता है वो 1% रिकॉम्बिनेशन शो करता है. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन थर्ड इज करेक्ट. Which of the following stage of meiosis involves the division of centromere? तो ये सेंट्रोमियर का डिवीजन होगा एनापेस 2 में. मियोसिस 1 में जो था वो पेयर क्रोमोजोम वो अलग हुए थे विदाउट सेपरेटिंग सेंट्रोमियर. बट इन मियोसिस 2 में जो कॉपी डीएनए होते हैं वो सेंट्रोमियर से डिवाइड होते हैं इन एनापेस 2 में. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन थर्ड होगा. What is the role of RNA polymerase III in the process of transcription in eukaryote? तो इसका एक ट्रिक था RMT 1, 2 and 3. So RNA polymerase third is for tRNA. So correct option second. Among the Abel quartet, which one is considered the most important cause driving extinction of species. So correct option is 1, habitat loss and fragmentation. It is a main reason to lose to extinction of species. Statement 1, endark and exarch are the term often used for describing the position of secondary xylem. No, primary xylem. So statement 1 is incorrect. So correct option will be ये भी नहीं. No, second one fourth. Exarch condition is the most common feature of the root. So second statement is right. So correct option will be 4. Axial placentation is observed in mustard, cucumber and primrose. No. China rose, beans, lupin. No. Tomato, dianthus and pea. No. And 4 option is correct. China rose, petunia and lemon. So correct option is 4. Expressed sequence tag refers to all genes that are expressed as RNA. All genes that are expressed as protein. No. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. वाई नॉट ऑप्शन बी? बिकॉज पहले जो एक्सप्रेस सीक्वेंस रहेगा वो पहले आरएनए पे फॉर्म होगा फिर प्रोटीन बनाएगा, इसलिए बनाएगा. और जो सीक्वेंस एनोटेशन था वो ऑल जीन कंसीडर करता है, चाहे वो एक्सप्रेस्ड हो या फिर अनएक्सप्रेस. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए 1. वॉट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ टैसल्स इन द कॉर्न कॉप? टैसल का काम क्या होता है? ये पॉलन ग्रेन को जो होता है वो कैच करता है, इसलिए कॉर्न में टैसल्स होते हैं. जो हेयर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं इसको टैसल्स बोलते हैं. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज थर्ड. सेकेंड, टू ट्रैप पॉलन ग्रेन्स. Spraying of which of the following phytohormone on juvenile conifers helps in hastening the maturity period that leads to early seed production. So correct option is second, gibberellic acid. In the equation GPP minus R equal to NPP. GPP refers to gross primary productivity. NPP is a net primary productivity. So what is R? R is respiratory loss. रेस्पिरेटरी में कितना लॉस हुआ है वो यहाँ रिप्रेजेंट किया है. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी थर्ड. इन एंजियोस्पर्म the haploid, diploid and triploid structure of fertilized embryo sequentially are synergid, haploid, primary endosperm nucleus is triploid. So first is incorrect. Antipodals haploid, synergid haploid. So second also incorrect. Synergid haploid. Zygote diploid and primary endosperm nucleus is triploid. So correct option will be third. Which hormone promote internode and petiole elongation in deep rice water? Highlight this, deep water rice. So correct option will be ethylene, not जिब्लैरिन. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन क्या होगा? थर्ड. गिवन बिलो आर टू स्टेटमेंट, assertion and reason. Assertion, late wood has fewer xylem elements with narrow vessels. Why? Because cambium is less active in winter. So assertion also correct and reason also correct. So correct option will be A 1. Given below two statements, assertion and reason. Assertion, ATP is used to step in glycolysis, right? First one is right. And reason, first ATP is used in converting glucose into glucose 6-phosphate, right? And second ATP is used in conversion of fructose 6-phosphate into fructose 1,6-phosphate. So reason also right. So correct option is A. 1. Identify the correct statement that reverse perform fragmentation, right? The humus is further degraded by some microbes during mineralization, right? Water soluble inorganic nutrients go down into the soil and get precipitated by a process called leaching, right? The detritus food chain begins with living organism, no, dead organism. Earthworms break down detritus into smaller particles by a process called fragmentation. So correct option will be A, B, C. 1. The process of appearance of recombination nodules occur at which sub-stage of prophase 1 in meiosis. So correct option will be packetine. In packetine. So correct option is second. How many ATP and NADPH2 are required for the synthesis of one molecule of glucose during Calvin cycle? So 18 ATP plus 12 NADPH2. So correct option will be second. The phenomena of प्लियोट्रॉफिज्म refers to एक जीन जो होता है वो 3 से 4 कैरेक्टर को एक्सप्रेस करता है. सो उसका एग्जांपल है सिकल सेल एनीमिया. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी प्रेजेंस ऑफ सीवियर एलिस ऑफ सिंगल जीन एंड कंट्रोलिंग सिंगल क्रॉसओवर. नो. Presence of 2 alleles is of 2 gene controlling a single trait. No. A single gene affecting multiple phenotypic expressions. So correct option is third. Upon exposure of to UV radiation, DNA stained with ethidium bromide will show a bright orange color. So correct option is D. 4. The reaction center in pH2 has an absorption maxima at 680 nanometer and pH1 is 700 nanometer. So correct option is 1. During the purification process for recombinant DNA technology, addition of chilled ethanol precipitates out DNA, and this process is known as spooling. So correct option is second. Which macronutrients is required for splitting of water molecules during photosynthesis? सो इसका एक ट्रिक था मंगल, यानी मैग्नीज एंड क्लोरीन जो होता है वो फोटोसिंथेसिस में वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स को स्प्लिट करने के लिए काम आता है. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज मैग्नीज, मोलिब्डेनम एंड थर्ड वन मैग्नीशियम. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज मैग्नीज. 1. Movement of and accumulation of ions across a membrane against their concentration gradient can be explained by osmosis. No. Facilitated diffusion. No. Passive transport. No. एक्टिव ट्रांसपोर्ट, क्योंकि ये कॉन्सेंट्रेशन के अगेंस्ट है तो सो इसको अपनी एनर्जी स्पेंड करनी होगी. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी 4. Among eukaryotes, replication of DNA takes place in S phase. So correct option is second. Cellulose does not form blue color with iodine because पहली बार ये सेलुलोज जो होता है वो सिंपल चेन होता है अल्फा ग्लूकोज का, और ये इसके पास कोई हेलिकल्स नहीं होती, जिसकी वजह से इसमें कलर क्यों मिलते हैं, क्योंकि जब ये ग्लूकोज के हेलिकल्स में ये जब आयोडीन उसमें फंस जाते हैं तो ये अपना ब्लू कलर दिखाते हैं. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी इट इज अ disaccharides. No, it is a helical molecules. No, it's not a helical molecules. Third, it does not contain complex helicals and hence can't be whole iodine molecules. So correct option is third. जब ये आयोडीन कोई होल्ड नहीं करेंगे तो फिर ब्लू कलर कैसे फॉर्म होगा, क्योंकि ब्लू कलर फॉर्मेशन के लिए आयोडीन रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन थर्ड आएगा. हिस्टोरिक कन्वेंशन ऑन बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी. द अर्थ समिट was held in Rio de Janeiro in the which year? 1985, 1992, 1986 or 2002. So correct option is second, 1992. Identify the pair of heterosporous pteridophytes among the following. Heterosporous pteridophytes. Lycopodium and Selaginera. No, Selaginera and Salvinia. So correct option is second, Selaginera and Salvinia. मैच लिस्ट 1 एंड लिस्ट 2. जब ऐसा मैच ऑफ द कॉलम आएगा ना तो आपको ऐसा मतलब वो वाला ऑप्शन देखना का जो चारों में डिफरेंट है. सो सी वाले देखो सब में अलग है. फर्स्ट नहीं, सी वाला नहीं, तो ऐसा कोई भी ऑप्शन नहीं है, तो हम लोग को सब देखना पड़ेगा. एम्फेस इज 4 इक्वेशनल डिवीज़न. सो ए का 4. G2 phase. Protein are synthesized. So first quiescent stage, inactive phase. So C का second. And G1 phase, interval between mitosis and initiation DNA replication. So correct option is 4, first and second, third. So correct option is third. Match the column. Iron activator of catalyst. So third. Zinc synthesis of oxygen. First. Boron is cell elongation and differentiation. So C का 4. molybdenum का होगा second component of nitrate reductase. So correct option is third, first, fourth and second. So correct option is third. Match the column. Cohesion is a mutual attraction among the water molecules. A. Adhesion is a attraction towards polar surface. 4. And surface tension is a water loss in more attraction in liquid phase. So correct option is C. And glutation is a water loss in liquid phase. So D. So correct option is second, 4, first and third. 1. Second option is correct option is first. How many different proteins does the ribosome consist of? 80 molecules. So correct option is 1. Match the column. ऑक्सीडेटिव डिकार्बोक्सिलेशन. ऑक्सीडेटिव डिकार्बोक्सिलेशन कौन करेगा? पायरुवेट डिहाइड्रोजिनेस. सेकेंड ग्लाइकोलिसिस. ग्लाइकोलिसिस इज अ EMP pathway. And oxidative phosphorylation is a electron transport system. Electron transport system. And tricarboxylic acid cycle is a citrate synthesis. So correct option is second, fourth, third. Second, fourth, third, and first. 4. Correct option is 4. म्यूचुअलिज्म में क्या होता है कि दोनों का फ़ायदा होता है, ए का भी और बी का भी, तो ए का 4. कॉम्युनलिज्म में क्या होता है? एक का नुकसान होता है और दूसरे का कुछ नहीं, फ़र्क नहीं, सो बी का सेकेंड. एमिनलिज्म में क्या होता है? एक का फ़ायदा होता है और दूसरे का कुछ नहीं, सो सी का फर्स्ट. पैरासिटिज्म में क्या होता है? एक का फ़ायदा होता है और दूसरे का नुकसान, तो इसका थर्ड. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है 4, सेकेंड, फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज 1. स्टेटमेंट और गॉस कॉम्पिटेटिव एक्सक्लूजन प्रिंसिपल्स स्टेट दैट. इसमें क्या बोला है कि मतलब गॉस थियरी क्या होता है कि दो क्लोजली रिलेटेड स्पीसीज दोनों एक साथ ज़्यादा समय तक नहीं रह सकते. उसमें से जो इन्फीरियर वन होता है वो जल्दी से एलिमिनेट हो जाते हैं. सो देखते क्या है. एक्सक्लूजन प्रिंसिपल स्टेट्स दैट टू क्लोजली रिलेटेड स्पीसीज competing for the same resources can't coexist indefinitely, and competitively inferior one will be eliminated eventually. So correct one is correct. Sorry, statement 1 is correct. Second, in general, carnivores are more adversely affected by competition than herbivores. Wrong. Herbivores are more affected than carnivores. So correct option is statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is false. Third, correct option is third. Main step in formation of recombinant DNA are given below. Arrange these steps in correct sequence. First, insertion of recombinant DNA into the host cell. No. Cutting of DNA at specific location by restriction enzyme. Isolation of desired DNA fragment. Amplification of gene of interest using PCR. No. First, isolation of desired DNA fragment. And then cutting of DNA at specific location by restriction enzyme. Amplification of gene of interest using PCR, and then insertion of recombinant DNA into the host cell. So correct option is C, B, D, A. 1 is correct option. Sorry, third is correct option, C, B, D, A. Given below are two statements, assertion and reason. Assertion: flowers is defined as modified shoot wherein the shoot apical meristem changes to floral meristem. Reason: internode of shoot gets condensed to produce different floral appendages laterally at successive nodes. instead of leaves. So reason also correct. So correct option is both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So correct option is 1. Which of the following statements are correct about Klinefelter syndromes? Klinefelter syndrome are caused by X, and Y. This disorder was first described by Langdon Down. No, it is the Down syndrome, not for Klinefelter syndrome. Such an individual has overall masculine development, however the feminine development is also expressed, right? The affected individual is short stature. No, it is a sign of Down syndrome. Physical, psychomotor and mental development is retarded. No, such individuals are sterile because the development of masculine as well as feminine characters both. So correct option is B and E. So correct option 3rd. Malonate inhibits the growth of pathogenic bacteria by inhibiting the activity of succinic dehydrogenase. So correct option is 1. Succinic dehydrogenase. Which one of the following statement is correct? Not correct. The microorganism involved in biodegradation of organic matter in a sewage polluted water body consume a lot of oxygen, causing the death of aquatic organism, right? Algal blooms caused by excess of organic matter in water improves the water quality and promote fisheries. No, the algal blooms causes the ये water quality को इम्प्रूव नहीं करती है. इनफैक्ट ये लॉट्स ऑफ ऑक्सीजन कंज्यूम करती है, जिसकी वजह से उस वाटर में ऑक्सीजन की डिफिशियंसी हो जाती है एंड जो एक्वाटिक ऑर्गेनिज्म रहते हैं उनकी डेथ हो जाती है. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी 2nd. Which of the following combination is required for chemoosmosis? First, membrane, proton pump, proton gradient, ATP synthase. So correct option is 1. Identify the correct statement. First, lenticels are lens-shaped opening permitting the exchange of gases. Correct. Bark formed early in season is called hard bark. No. Bark is a technical term that refers to all tissue exterior to vascular cambium. Correct. Bark refers to periderm and secondary phloem, right? And palogen is single layer. No, it is a triple layer in thickness. So E also wrong. So correct option is ACD. यहाँ ACD नहीं दिया है तो मोस्ट करेक्ट ऑप्शन भी. NTA वाले का कुछ भरोसा नहीं, वो बोल सकता है कि आपको मोस्ट करेक्ट आंसर करना चाहिए था. सो ACD में से कौन सा करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा? सेकेंड को हम करेक्ट बोल सकते हैं अगर इन केस NTA वाला मार्क्स नहीं देता है. तो मतलब आप ACD के बाद सेकेंड ही करेक्ट मिलता है. AD देखते क्या होता है. Assertion and reason. Assertion. In gymnosperm, the pollen grains are released from the microsporangium and carried by air current. So assertion is correct. Reason, air current carry the pollen grains to mouth of archegonia. ये एक फिक्स डायरेक्शन नहीं होता है कि वो माउथ तक ही लेके जाएगा, कहीं भी लेके जा सकता है. सो रीजन इज रॉन्ग. सो assertion is true but reason is false. So option is 3rd is correct. आई होप आपका बॉटनी अच्छा गया हो। ओके, बेस्ट ऑफ लक।